Yeah, that's okay because the thing is coming in the front. The lights.
No, the lights are.
No, the lights are here, man.
The lights are flipped.
I'll flip over.
So I'm going to close this. Alright.
And you need to show this. Yeah, show how it is.
So
How is it folded?
This goes all the way like this.
And then this is the end over here. And where does it show?
This is top.
This side top. Okay, show where the top end goes. Wait.
So this goes.
Wait. Yeah.
Got it? Goes in like that. And then this slides in.
In the middle, in the center.
Very interesting. Hold on, let me see the other one.
Cut up. I can see hold that up.
Over the. Okay, there you go. So this slides on to this notch here, like that. And you do the same for all 4 of them. So you got to do that until you hear the click sound. There you go.
All right. So you have 1, 2,
3.
wait, 2, 3,
4
4,
and 5.
5,
And
and 2 at the back at the ends. So this is 5, and then there'll be 1 over here, 6, and one at the other end behind over there. So there are 7 strips like these. Make sure this side is up and it just slides inside under the thing. Okay? That's the panel. We'll show you one panel. As you can see, it's got one side, it's got a fabric on one side. That side comes in the front and it just sticks.
Oh, you know what? This is different. Why don't I see the hooks?
Okay, we've got to choose the right one. Are you sure you? Oh, they're here, the ones with the hooks.
Hey, I got a better looking banner in this.
Oh, we got some other banners. It says no. Yeah, we've got.
I think this is a new banner.
We've got 2 new. We discovered 2 new banners.
There
It
you go,
says
Larry.
www.incodetel.com, and there are 2 of these. And they are plastic banners. So you've got 2 of those, okay?
So
And then this one, you see the top, the panels, you've got these slits over here, and they basically fit at the top on these one hook over here and the other hook over there.
and we're going to show you how we do that, but
It says and it's got A, B, C, D, and you've got to install those in order, I think.
yeah.
It says which one to install first, install second.
So
and
A goes into this one. And
so it just hooks up over here like this and over there like that.
And then you have the magnetic stripes
Okay, put the magnetic stripes.
that go against the metal
Okay,
that we just installed.
same all along, and just put. And
Same thing would happen here when you have the metallic strip.
yeah, you'd have the metallic strip over here, and so the magnet behind would just go on the metallic strip over here. And that's what you do. So you've got 1 panel, 2 panels, 3, and 4. So you've got 4 panels over here, and as you can see, you've got the lights. They flip over. Can you show how the lights flip over? Okay, you just gotta remove the lights from the other end, and then you also have to connect the lights, right?
Yeah.
And then you've got to connect the lights. Can you show them how to connect the lights?
Which is a good question.
Oh, you know what?
I have a feeling the lights on these are an issue. Where is the... Yeah, I think the lights are... Is it?
Well, that's where the thing goes. But
Yeah.
now for the sides over here, the sides, you've got these pieces that go in the side, and you'll see behind it says, which this stop goes first at the top, and which to install first. So you just install it over there.
The one with this will usually go
See, the
on
hook
top.
is usually one on top. It installs on the second hook over here on the front,
And the same goes in
and
the
the
back.
same goes behind. There's another hook behind.
And then you use the...
Install over there, and then it just
Magnet
use
to-
the magnets to just stick over here, and you just go down and install the other 2 sections, and so you'll have a column at the sides, and we'll
This
just do
one
that.
says middle.
It says middle, so you put that in the
Goes
middle.
Over... That's how you...
All right, and then you have one at the bottom. And the lights are just installed as they are, and we will show you how to install the transformer. So you see in the middle section, you have these 2 leads, which will just get connected to the transformer. On the side over there. So this is the transformer wire, and you connect one end to each lead. And then this just basically connects into the transformer like this. Okay. And then this just goes into the power source. And then the lights over here, there are these lights over here, which you will just have to unload the bulbs and install them over here in these bulb holders. And these are the bulbs. As you can see, there are 2 prongs, and they just fit. All right, that's it. If you've got any questions, call us back. The light that is working.